Hello there! So today I'm going to share with you how to get a smoky eye. I didn't put my face makeup on because when you're doing a smoky eye, you're going to get a lot of fallout. And so you want to have clean lines, and therefore it's best to do the eyes first. So you want to start by priming your eyes first, and you can use your lightest cream highlight, which I use on a day-to-day basis for every day. But if I'm going to do a really detailed or something special on my eyes, I do use a primer. So I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base. There's a lot of primers out there. Just pick your favorite. This one is a white one, which is not really necessary since I'm doing like a brown smoky eye today, not like anything bright. But if you're going to get something that's bright or using really light colors, I do suggest using a white one. There are like skin color primers as well that are great for like everyday or everyday looks. But loose powder, translucent loose powder, and I'm just going to just brush it across my lid. And this is just going to make it so that whatever I'm putting on after will blend out really nicely. My eyeshadow everything brush, the fluffy end, and I'm just going to fluff on my lightest color. So these are the colors I'm using today. I'm taking it's color called Stay Golden, and I'm just going to fluff this everywhere on my eye, just like that. So the great thing about this color is it's one of our colors that all the proceeds go to the Foster Care Foundation, which is a Maskcara foundation that they founded. Our CEO is actually a foster mom, and she ended up adopting 2 children through the foster care system. And so it's really passionate and close to her heart. And the foundation just brings awareness to the conversation and helps families who are willing to do the fostering. So it's pretty awesome. Okay, so there is Stay Golden all over my eye. Now I'm going to go into my when I'm going to do this smoky eye, I'm going to start with the dark colors and build up. So I'm going to start with my blend and tap brush, and I'm going to take the flat side of the brush. And I'm going to go into this darkest color here, which is called Cocoa. I'm actually not going to use this color. That was for my brows. So I'm going to go into Cocoa, and I'm going to just tap Cocoa. So now that that's on and you feel like you've got it blended the way that you like it to be blended, and see how it's smoky, but because I have that like darker color kind of in the crease, it kind of creates this like fun like effect with it, which I'm kind of loving the character within that color. Okay, so it's super messy, all over the place. So the next thing that I do is I get a wipe, a makeup wipe, and I take it in my finger, just like this, and then I get into this inner corner, like that, and then I get all the way in, and I make sure that it's clean and lifted. So you can see how that immediately lifted my eye, and at the same time cleaned up anything that I may have gone a little crazy when I was blending. So like straight back. See how that just kind of creates that straight line? And then, see, that's the makeup that I cleaned up. And then I just take a clean section and I go right under my brow, just a little bit, like that too. And then I have to go back in with my brow because I just messed that up. There. And then you kind of clean that up with your makeup. And so you can go back in with a multitasker and your brightest highlight, and you can come in and clean up all of this. Just like that. I don't want too much down, so we're gonna blend, tap that in to blend it out. I'll do that on this side. As well. Just like that. I have a blemish right there, so we're just gonna cover that up while I'm in there. All right, so now the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my small side of my eyeshadow everything brush is kind of cleaned off. And I was going to clip this hair out of the way and I didn't do that. So let's do that. And then I'm gonna go into my last color here, which is called Foxy. Now, Foxy is going to give it just that extra fun, and I'm going to drag it underneath my eye for some sparkle. And then I'm just going to take it right here at the very beginning of my eye. I'm not going to bring it in too far, but we're going to take it a little bit in and blend that out. And there you have it, a smoky eye. So pretty, just adding a little bit of shimmer on that inner corner. Super smoky eye. Much fun to play with color, to play with styles, and kind of get out of your norm. And so there we have it.
So now I did my makeup. I did that off camera just so that it would speed up this video and make it much shorter. I am now just highlighting with our illuminator. This is Georgia. It's one of my favorites. You can see that really big pop of color that I love so much. And this is just finishing touches for a smoky eye, making sure that it's smoothed out and it looks fluid. Now I'm just going to line my waterline on the outside with a black pencil. That's soft smudge. That's just a NYX pencil. I love it because it's really soft. We do have an eyeliner. It's called Black Friday and it works really well for that too. Mascara and curling my lashes, and I am all done. The great thing about Maskcara Beauty is you can get a smoky eye and a full face of makeup in 20 minutes. Because your face makeup does not take any time at all, you have the freedom and the flexibility to get to play with your eyes and do something special. So I hope you enjoyed it.